Hello, East Texas, Sean, Patterson Truck Stop. You're going to love the great deals we got rolling through here this week. Check it out, 2007 GMC Envoy Denali, roof, navigation, heated seats. You're going to love it. It's only $229 down, $229 a month. How about a bigger SUV? I got it. 2007 Tahoe Z71, rolling on 26's roof, navigation, DVD also, $329 down, $329 a month. And you know I got the biggest, baddest trucks in East Texas. 2013 F-150 FX4 Edition, 6-inch lift, 35s on 20s. You got to come see me in the corner. Cotton McCann, Patterson Truck Stop. I got trucks.